Greetings people, this is my first attempt at showing a process. We've got two mirrors here that we're going to mosaic. This one was made, the border was made by a local cabinet maker, and I'm going to arrange various bits and pieces that I've made in the kiln around for the border. These are some of my little bits and pieces. At a later date I'll show how all these are made. So the process is to put the pieces on top of the framework and stick them together using sticky tape. So pressing down fairly firmly so that all the pieces stick once they've been arranged. Then with a bit of luck, when you pick them up, none of the little bits fall off. So here we go, see what happens. Yep, pretty successful, just lost a few of the little bits of mirror. And now I'll just get some wood nails and spread it on top. Being careful not to make it too thick, because when you put the pieces back and the glue can sort of squelch through, and then it's hard to cover it up with it when you finally grout it. So pressing it down quite firmly, making sure each piece sticks. Because later on, when you take the sticky tape off, you lift it up. So I'm just doing the next section here, arranging the pieces as I see fit. And there you are, so they're all stuck down now with sticky tape, and also you can see the inside rim. I've put some little glass tiles matching the colours as much as I could of what's on the surface. Miraculously, they fitted perfectly. So when mixing grout, you put the water in first, and then the colour is concrete colourant. So this is where I'm going to make some coloured grout. Very simple process. Colour and grout. I'm going to mix it in here and see how we go. put the right amount in to get the strength of colour that I want. And using a piece of rubber matting, the type that comes in those camp sheets that clip together, I've just cut a section of that to use that as the squeegee so that I can push the grout into all the little cracks and crevices. So the consistency of grout is somewhat like about toothpaste. You can see I've covered the mirror with some rhino wrap to protect it as I do this process. You'll see a bit later when I peel it off how that works. It always looks very different when you've grouted it. In this case, I wanted the blue to pull all the colours together. And ultimately, I painted that border, the outside rim, with a matching blue. Just cleaning the grout out of some of the features. Sponging off. See, it comes together at that point. There we go.